In this video, we're going to take a look at Fanbasis, Whop, and Skool to see which one is better for creators. Now, from the start, I'm going to say that Fanbasis, from these three, it's the worst. So don't even think about using Fanbasis if you want to scale your creator business and if you want to sell digital stuff. Now, between these two, I've used in the past Whop, and I can say that it's one of the best. And even Skool is alright, but Whop became more popular, and it matters because both of them have this discover page where people can find your communities and they can join. So if I have to choose between these two, I'll go with Whop because overall is a better app and you can scale your community. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.